If you've ever struggled to stay consistent with your email marketing, this 3-minute tutorial on how to create email content calendars that keep you consistent is exactly what you need. I've tested all the most popular tools for this, and I'll show you how to set up your calendar using the software I now recommend. There's an exclusive free trial just for viewers of my channel, linked in the description if you want to follow along. The real secret to staying consistent with email content? It's not inspiration, it's structure. And an email content calendar gives you that structure. Start by mapping out your sending frequency. Is it once a week, twice a month, every Monday? Set that rule first, then stick to it. Your calendar is your accountability partner. Next, outline the type of emails you'll send. Rotate between value-based content, soft pitches, testimonials, announcements, and promotional offers. A good rhythm could look like Week 1, helpful tip. Week 2, client story. Week 3, product feature. Week 4, offer. This pattern helps your audience stay engaged without burning them out. Now, grab the software we'll be using, link below for the free trial, and create a calendar view. Drop in your content themes for each date you've committed to. The key is batching. Don't create emails on the fly. Set aside 1 day a month to plan and schedule all your emails for the next 4 weeks. That one shift alone will transform your consistency. If you're repurposing content, great. Turn blog posts, YouTube videos, or FAQs into email content. Use one core idea across multiple emails with slight variations. It saves time and reinforces your message. Inside the software, you can color code by content type and even add deadlines for drafting, review, and sending. Another tip, create a swipe file inside the software. Anytime you see a good subject line or email format, drop it in. On planning days, you won't start from scratch. You'll start from inspiration. This alone speeds up your process dramatically. Now, here's the part most people miss. Review performance monthly. Which emails got the best open rates? Clicks? Sales? Highlight those inside your calendar so you can repeat what works. Data isn't just feedback, it's fuel for future content. And here's the key takeaway. Consistency with email comes from clarity and preparation, not motivation. Your email content calendar gives you the plan, the pace, and the peace of mind to stay visible without scrambling. Quick recap. Define your sending frequency. Plan your email types. Use the software to batch and organize. Repurpose content. Use a swipe file. And track what performs. All inside a simple, color-coded calendar you'll build in minutes. Don't forget to grab that exclusive free trial of the software in the description. It's only available for viewers of Dan Thorne's channel, and it'll make this whole process faster and easier. Now go get consistent.